I love it. I have cried, crowed, cruded. In this life, people do, eh? Hey besties, you're welcome to today's vlog. Today's vlog is going to be a pre-travel vlog as well as me taking you through my day. So I have 1 week left till I travel, and I was thinking of not telling you my travel location. However, if you're following me on Instagram by now, you would already have known. And not just that, in this vlog I want to give you some gist about the travel, and I need to talk about the location so that you can understand. So I'm going to give you the gist. I'm traveling to Albania. I'm so excited about this journey, and in fact I'm traveling next week. You won't believe that I have made absolutely no preparation for my travel apart from the booking of the flight and the hotel that I showed you in my last vlog. That's because I had a major incident happening to me. What in the name of betrayal, backstabbing, throwing under the bus did I not go through this week? God, I have cried, crowed, cruded. In this life, people do, eh? For me, I make a major mistake when it comes to interacting with people. I see people the way I am. Now, the way I am is, if I like you, you would know. If I don't like you, you would know. And in fact, you would know why. Because if I don't like you, there must be something that has happened. Now, what I cannot fathom is a person that is literally smiling with you, laughing with you, still stabbing you. Jesus, people day. Wow, so that's it, besties. So I can't give you detail because even me, I'm still shocked. So it took a lot of my weeks, and I did not even focus on the fact that I was traveling. If you've experienced a situation where this was not past backstabbing, you were front stabbed, please let me know in the comment section, because it's a campaign. When you are loving someone with genuine heart and you don't even know that the person will do anything to bring you down just to make themselves up, it is well, besties. So yesterday I got myself and I realized that, hey, my journey is next week. Oh, what have I planned? It was yesterday I went on Shein to buy a lot of things I would need for my traveling, such as a safe lock and some outfits. I don't know if I told you in my previous vlog, but if I did not, let me just tell you that my color code for Albania travel is color orange, and you never know how much of a particular color you have until you have a color code. I now realize that I have a lot of orange outfits, and I still got like 1 or 2, and I ordered them yesterday, and from the calculations on Shein, they are going to be arriving in like 2 weeks time, which is above the time I need because I'll be traveling next week. So fingers crossed that they come in before I travel, but if they don't, I'll just return it because I don't know where to pay me. So let's just keep positive mind and hope that the items will show up. So that's that. Something happened yesterday. I was talking to someone about this Albania travel, and if you followed my last vlog, if you've not, go and watch it so you understand what I'm saying here. Now, in my last vlog, I mentioned that I actually did not just mention, I mentioned that I booked an Airbnb in a location. So I booked it in Tirana. Now let me explain Albania to you based on the explanation I've gotten on TikTok, because it's on TikTok I'm getting a lot of deets. By the way, follow me on TikTok. So I realized that there are 2 parts of Albania. Now, if you go from London, you're going to be landing at Tirana, and the neighboring city to Tirana is Durrës. Now, then there is the south of Albania that features places like Sarande, Ksamil, Himare, those places. Now, those places I've just mentioned are like the beach sides of Albania, and that's actually my vibe. But to go from Tirana to the south, that is Sarande, Ksamil, can take you up to 4 to 6 hours depending on how you go. So that's a lot, because my flight from London to Tirana is about 3 hours ish. So let me just give you dates, by the way. If you want to explore the south of Albania, it's better you have a Schengen visa, because you can go through Greece to enter the south and it will not take you that long. But if you don't have a Schengen visa, like I do not have currently, I would have to use that a long time to get to the south. Now initially I planned on not going to the south at all. I planned on just going to Tirana or Durres and go back to Albania when I have my Schengen visa, then go to the south. But I was talking to someone and she was saying, see Ada, you only live once, so hey, why not just go? Like, it's just 6 hours, do it. And now I've gotten the ginger. So I've already booked my Airbnb for like 4 nights. So I think I would most likely be canceling. I'm not so sure yet. Thankfully, I did not need to pay because I'll be paying when I get to the property. So I would most likely be canceling. So I'm not so sure what I'm going to do yet. If you've been to Albania, please let me know, like, where did you go to? How was it? For today, I plan on filming like 2 videos, and I'm also going to visit a friend. So besties, see you. I'm gonna make your head burn. Think of me in the depths of your despair. Making home down there is mine, so won't be shared. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't. My YouTube Business Academy is something that I believe God placed in my heart for some time now, but I had been having a lot of limiting beliefs about it. And right now, as at the point of filming, I've not yet released the academy. So my hope is that at the point of releasing this video, the academy is already released, because I have a lot to teach people that want to be YouTubers and make money as YouTubers. Good news, YBA has been launched. Click the link in the description box to join us. I'm trying to change my diffuser. Let me show you. This was the previous one. It's watermelon. I have this mango diffuser, which is already almost finished. As you can tell, I love having good scent in my house. This is strawberry. Hey besties, it's Sunday morning, and when it's Sunday, it's time for church. I'll show you my outfit later. Call the name, all our praise. Besties, it's Monday. I went to work last night and I'm so tired, but I need to show you something that came today. Amazon orders, and am I the only one that orders things? And when it comes, I can't really remember what I ordered. Like, I can't remember. I can't. I can remember one thing that I ordered, but well, we'll check the rest. Oh my gosh, it's Brandon. Hey, let's see. This is morning pouch. You won't believe what all this drama. Wait, before I show you, guess what it is for? Just guess. You would think it's for one big thing or one sensible thing. Remember, these are travel books I got from Primark. Hey my loves, I just went to pick up my Shein parcel. I've not opened it yet. Hey, I hope because I'm taller than this trousers length. Anyway, let me bring it to show you. There's still the problem in the land. So look at the top. Hey! The top is crumble, yum. However, the trousers, I already was scared of the length. Let me show you the length of the trousers. I rarely buy trousers on Shein because of this. Like, it's very difficult for me to get actual trousers length because for my size, my legs are extremely long. Like, my upper body is smaller than my lower body. I have really long legs, and because it's not the first time I'm buying something from Shein that I had to return because the trousers was so short, and me, I don't know how to wear jumper. It's either I'm wearing something long or I'm wearing something short. There's no like middle ground because this is not 3/4. I really like the top. I love the way the top fits my body and I feel it fits my skin very well. Besties, today is Thursday and we are traveling on Sunday. I'm so happy, like I can't wait for Sunday to come. Like I know I'm going to have the time of my life traveling. So besties, let me go now and I'll catch you later. Hey besties, guess whose shin parcel is here? Yep. Okay. This is the funny thing. This looks like a tripod stand I have. I have numerous tripod stands, even the ones that I no longer use. Let's leave that one. So this is a clothing item. I can't even. Okay, yeah. With our dress code. Okay. Oh, I love this. Okay, I got this gold sandal because the dress code is orange, but all my accessories would be gold. So I got a gold sandal. I'm so scared because this is size 39, which is my size. My size 39 is wide foot. I just hope it's my size. So this is it. I like it. Yeah, this is what I wanted. I love it. Oh, today is going well. Shein is not disappointing. What's this? Okay, my nightwear. We are going orange, baby. This looks very sexy. Ooh, scrum the lum yum. Okay, I'll test it. No, I don't know. Let's see. Hey, this is for video. See how I'm buying a lot of video stuff because when I'm traveling, content is at the top and at the front and the back of my mind. Almost done. Okay, so this is for my safety and it's a door security lock. Oh my god, this is so cute. Finished. You know the good thing about spending on vacation or when you're about traveling, that money does not count. Like the money does not count. It's when you get back, then hunger will blow you. Then you now remember that, oh wow, this was real. Anyway, besties, let me try on my dress and show you. Okay, the nightie is nightying, but then I can't show you because it will cease to be a nightie. It will now be a day. Ew, I'm so dry. This is one of the cutest dresses I've bought from Shein. Are you ready? Come on. This is the sandal, perfect fit. So this is it. It's perfect for solo travelers, very good, and also for female travelers. So it's a doorstop alarm. That I'm getting quite tired. It's 1 p.m. already. The only day I'm allowed to look homeless is the day before the day I'm traveling. No, actually, I'm not allowed to even look homeless at all, but I'm visibly stressed. I will be going to some stores very soon because there are some things that I still need to get that I realize I don't have. I think one thing about traveling is it reminds you of a lot of things that you need when you're not in your comfort zone. So I couldn't show you how to make use of this door alarm because there was a battery slot and I don't know how I did not take note of that. So I did not order any battery. Since I'm traveling tomorrow, it's already too late to order anything from Amazon right now. So I'll just go around some shops and hope I'm able to get a battery because I don't know what else to do. Then I just got an order. In fact, I have a lot of packages coming in today, like a lot. Yay! This is a light. However, I feel this one is a bit different from the one I was using before. When I started creating content, I was always buying ring lights, various forms of ring lights. But when I got introduced to this portable LED light, it was a game changer for me. One thing about the UK is that when it wants to be sunny, the sun will be burning your skin. Like, I'm feeling so I can't believe I want to complain about the sun, so let me shut up because I absolutely hate the cold in the UK. Checking out writings. This is so beautiful. Down. Hey, this was not in the budget, but we are putting it in the budget. This is the bigger size. I don't know if I should take the smaller size or the bigger size. Hey besties, I'm back home. I have another order again. I'm so tired, like So I'll put it in low and I'll put it like this. That's all I need to do. That's all. Now once anyone opens this door, that's it. Hey besties, something is definitely wrong with this door alarm because it's not even making any sound, and I'm traveling tomorrow because I definitely will be returning it. Anyway, I also got an email that one of my connecting trains will be cancelled because I'm traveling from Lincoln to Luton Airport. So my flight is for 5:50, so I'll be going earlier. That means I'll be arriving Luton at 1:30. Then I also got a power bank. Anyway besties, I think the next part you will see will be me packing because at this point I'm extremely tired. So this may be the last time you see this lovely face. So I'm signing out right now. Love you besties.
So I'm feeling good. My biggest strength is my charm. I'm pretty good at just, bringing the heat and the sauce. I'm known for my crazy.
One beautiful thing about this color coding is that I'm pretty organized and it will just save me from wondering what to wear because I've already planned everything. Hey besties, you are highly welcome to my Albania travel vlog. I'm so happy. I'm leaving the UK right now.